Subject Maths Standard 2nd. Hello everyone, I am Nilofer. Today we are going to learn a new topic. In this video, we will learn tall and short. Children, do you know what is a tall and what is a short? When we compare two persons, things or objects, the basis of their height, we are used the term tall and short. Tall means something have a great height from bottom to top, and the short means small in height. Now children, observe these both the monkeys. Now if we compare these both the monkeys, which is tall and which is short? Yes, the left side monkey is tall and the right side monkey is short, because the left side monkey is a great height and the right side monkey is short height. Children, observe this both the image. Which is tall and which is short? Giraffe is tall because giraffe has great height, and the cat is short because cat is a short height. Now children, observe this both the image and tell me which is tall and which is short. Now let's compare their height. Yes, the left side girl is tall and the right side girl is short, because the left side girl is a great height and the right side girl is short height. Now children, we will learn comparative measurement with the help of different examples. When we talk about tall, taller, tallest, we are taking about height, which means the difference in height, objects or person. Let's learn some examples. Children, see here some buildings are given. This is on tall, A building. Now see another. This building is B and this is taller than building A. Now see the another building C. This is tallest building than A and B. It means building C is tallest among the all. Let's see here. Three girls are given. Now first, this girl is tall. Now see another girl. The second girl is taller than first girl. And the third girl is tallest than the girl first and second. It means the third girl is tallest among this first and second girl. Now children, we will learn short, shorter, shortest. We will compare the base of their heights. First see children, here three images are given and different colors also given. So first A is short. Now see another one. This second B is shorter than first A. Now see another one, C. This is shortest than A and B. It means C is shortest among all. Now here different example is given. Let's see. This is a short. Now see another B. This is the shorter than A. Now see next. This is C. C is shortest than A and B. It means C is shortest among all. Now children, take the tallest among the group. Yes, very good. First man is tallest among all. Take the taller among the group. Yes, very good. The middle animal is taller than all. Take shorter among the group. Here, three different trees are given. Which is shorter? Yes. The second number tree is shorter. Very good. Pick the shortest among the group. Yes, the first boy is shortest among the group. Now, activity time. Here some pictures are given. Color the short picture in each box. Here given pictures and all of you color which is short in each box. Color the tall picture in each box. Here two pictures are given in each box. Now you color the tall one. Now children, homework time. Circle the object in each box that is short. Here some pictures are given. All of you, each box, which picture is short, you circle that picture. Observe the given sets of picture. Circle the one that is taller in each set. Here each box two pictures are given. Which is taller, you circle that picture. I hope all of you enjoy today's topic, tall and short. Thank you.